The market can be brutal. You win a few trades, feel unstoppable, and then, poof, your money disappears before your eyes. Chances are it's not bad luck. It's one of these 5 deadly mistakes that's secretly draining your account. Mistake number 1, trading without a plan. Trading without a plan is like trying to drive across the country blindfolded. You'll get lost, crash your account, and wonder why. A solid plan tells you when to enter, when to exit, and how much to risk. No plan? You're not trading, you're gambling. Mistake number 2, ignoring risk management. This is the number 1 account killer. Betting big on a single trade thinking, I cannot lose this one. Spoiler alert, you will. Pro traders do not chase huge wins. They focus on staying in the game. Always know your exit before you even enter. Mistake number 3, letting emotions take over. Fear makes you sell too early. Greed makes you hold too long. Both turn wins into losses. Trade with your mind, not your heart. Leave emotions outside the screen. Mistake number 4, overtrading. More trades doesn't mean more money. Overtrading drains your account and your energy. Smart traders wait for the perfect setup, the one with the highest probability of success. Quality beats quantity every time. Mistake number 5, not tracking your trades. If you don't track your trades, how can you learn from them? Keep a journal. Write down your entry, exit, and thought process. Your losses turn into lessons, and your lessons turn into profits. So, which of these mistakes is secretly draining your account? Don't worry, every pro trader has been there. The difference? They learned. Now it's your turn. If you want to stop gambling and start trading like a pro, like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment with the one mistake you're going to fix first. Let's level up your trading game.